Hey everyone, welcome to the project demonstration for Student Performance Predictor. And we will be predicting student success using AI. So let's just move on with the demonstration. As you can see, this is the landing page for the Student Performance Predictor. The heading text is green, and overall the UI is very nice looking and clean, built with Streamlit UI. The user begins by selecting key details such as gender. It can be male or female, and you can enter parental education level as well, lunch type. You can adjust your scores, reading scores, writing scores, and math scores. And then you can click on predict. Once the data is entered, the model predicts whether the student is likely to pass or at risk of failing along with a confidence percentage. We have the student is likely to pass. Let's walk through a few examples. I'll decrease the math score to a bare minimum. I'll decrease the writing score as well. I'll keep the reading score at moderate level, and then I'll click on predict, and the student is at the risk of failing. We will tweak with the scores once again. So yeah, the student is again likely to pass with 92% confidence. So our application is working really well. Let's talk about the key learnings and future scope of this application. So we get to know the importance of data quality and diverse data sets. We have can have future integration for emotional learning data. We can expand this for predictive analysis for college readiness. And the main goal is continuous model improvement for enhanced accuracy. So this project is really impactful, and in educational settings where like early identification of struggling students can help provide timely academic support and intervention. If a person is building this project, then their learning is developed in the sense that they will be able to pre-process structured educational data, train a classification model to make binary academic predictions, and build a real-time prediction interface with Streamlit. And they'll be able to deploy such an impactful project cleanly over the web.